If you've ever wondered where to find your downloaded files in Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to check downloads in Firefox in just a few seconds. This is super helpful if you want to open a file you just downloaded, confirm that a download finished properly, or quickly review your recent download history. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more fast and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. To check your downloads in Firefox, first look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-line menu icon, also called the hamburger menu. Click that icon to open the main Firefox menu. Once the menu opens, look for the Downloads option and click it. This will open your downloads list, where you can see the files you've recently downloaded in Firefox. From here, you can check the status of each file, open completed downloads, or view the folder where the file was saved on your computer. If a download is still in progress, you'll also be able to monitor it right here. This is the easiest way to keep track of your downloads without searching through your files manually. And that's it. Now you know how to check downloads in Firefox. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Firefox tips and computer how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.